I had this question the other day. Hi Barb, is there a way to replace this with data validation list, automatic protection once an option is chosen from a list? And so I figured this out. So here's what I've done. So if we have these numbers here, we have one, and so numbers that are over 5 will turn red. So I change number 6, or line number 6, and I change it to 9, and then press enter, and it changes red. And not only is it red, I can't change that to another number now. So it's like if I change it to 7 or 3, let's say, I will get the message up that it's locked. Okay, so I'm going to just show you a couple things first. On sheet 2, I have a couple of colors already here, and I have on my had difficulty trying to figure out what color numbers they are. I have created a little piece of script here that'll allow you to know it. So let's select the green one, for example, and here's my little piece of script. It's just simple. It's show color, cell color, selection, interior color index, MsgBox tell me what the color is. So if I run this little piece of script with the green cell selected, it comes up and it says this this cell is interior color is 14, which is very handy because if you're trying to guess what these colors are, you're usually wrong. So let's go back to my first sheet here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the code. I've written it right on the sheet. And so what I've done is I have private sub worksheet change by value. And so when any changes, dim X is a double, a range is RNG is a range, color index as an integer. The color index is red, so color index equals 3, so X equals 2 because I assume we have heading rows. With sheet 2, now I'm allowing it, putting in a password so that you can eventually go in and change these red numbers. Okay, so for X equals 2 to 200, and you can choose any number you like. Dim is color is long. If cells X, 1 value is greater than 5, then cells X1 select, selection locked equals true, selection's interior color index equals 3, end if, and next X. Now sheet 1 protect equals test, test being my password. So that's how I have both color conditionally formatted with color, and I have locked anything that is over 5 with this sheet. Please subscribe.